Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about teeth and their functions, and today we will discuss about the food pipe or osophagus. The whatever food we will swallow, it will pass through the food pipe. The food pipe will move along the neck and chest. The food it is pushed down by the movement of the walls of the food pipe. Actually, this movement takes place through the alimentary canal and pushes the food down. At that time, food is not accepted. At times, the food is not accepted by our stomach and it is vomited out. Okay, if whatever food we are taking, it will not be accepted or being in a state to digest it, then it will be vomit out. Okay, so recall the instance when you vomited after eating and think the reason for it. Okay, now we will move to next concept, that is stomach. Stomach is a thick walled bag. The shape is like a flattened U. Okay, and it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It receives the food from the food pipe at one end and opens into the small intestine at other end. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and the digestive juice. Okay, the mucus protects the lining of the stomach. Okay, the acid kills many bacteria that enter along with the food and the medium in the stomach makes the medium in the stomach. Okay, stomach acidic and helps in digestive juice to act. The digestive juice will break down the proteins into proteins. Whatever we are taking the form of food, it will be broken down into simpler substances. Okay, then what will be the function of small intestine? Small intestine will be highly coiled and its length will be around 7.5 meters long. It will receive secretions from the liver and the pancreas. Okay, it will also secrete juices. The liver in the reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right hand side. It is the largest gland in the body. It secretes bile juice that is stored in a sac called gallbladder. That is known as gallbladder. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. The pancreas is a large cream colored gland located just below the stomach. The pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates, fats, and proteins and changes them into simpler forms. Okay, so the partly digested food will move to the lower part of the small intestine where the intestinal juice completes the digestion of all components of the food. The carbohydrate gets broken into simple sugars such as glucose, fats into fatty acids and glycerol, and the proteins into amino acids. Okay, now what will be the function of large intestine? The large intestine is wider and shorter than smaller one. Its length will be lesser in comparison to this small intestine. Small intestine was of length 7.5 meter and its length is just 1.5 meter. Okay, and its function will be to absorb water and some salts from the undigested food. Okay, undigested food. The remaining waste will passes into the rectum and remains there as semi-solid feces. The facial matter is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called exudation. Okay, so today we discussed about food pipe, small intestine and large intestine. So revise all the three topics and tomorrow we will discuss digestion in grass eating animals. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.